Yo, what's going on, everybody? Another day, another house video. I'm out here with Allen and we're checking out a house in Fremont. This is a pretty big house and pretty pricey. So let's go ahead, hand it off to Allen and he'll let us know more about this house.
Today we're over on Glendora Drive in Fremont. What we have here today is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,200 square foot on a 7,000 lot. What Fremont brings is we have the Tesla factory not far away, great schools, great food, great atmosphere, environment is beautiful.
It's super close to the freeway too, right?
Oh yeah, very close to Highway 680, Highway 880, so you can get to wherever you need to get to.
And this is a 4-bedroom, right? 4-bedroom, 3-bath.
4-bed, 3-bath, correct.
And what's the price?
This is listed at $2.7 million right now.
Woo! That sounds like a spicy price tag. Do you know what year this was constructed?
This home was built in 1988.
Oh wow.
35 years ago.
Just from walking in here, it doesn't seem like that. Like I would expect this to be maybe like a 2006-ish house, but it doesn't feel like a 88.
Yeah, what makes it look like really modern is due to the high ceilings.
Yeah.
And then even the exterior, the Spanish tile roof, so that makes it last longer and it gives it a better aesthetic too.
Let's take a tour of the house. We're gonna have you walk us through today.
Okay,
it's gonna be a little bit more professional today.
All right, you just came through the entryway right here. Leads right into the living room, dining room, a little combo. Quarter spiral staircase right here.
I like that.
It makes it look a little more elegant, upscale.
And I love the high ceilings too.
Exactly.
It makes the room feel so big and like so, I don't know, like it feels nice when you walk in here. It feels really open.
Yeah, so that just gives that open feel.
Okay, I have a question for you as like a younger person, right? Living in the Bay Area.
Yeah.
Obviously the houses are super expensive. So when I see something like that, I don't even know where to start. Is there any tips that you would give for a younger person?
You can start with a condo, townhome. Those are price points a little lower, so then you can get your foot into the door, get your start on that. Even mobile homes, that's another option that you know, some folks might not even think of, but you know, the entry into that is a lot lower than a regular single-family home or townhome, things like that. So it's just basically whenever the individual is ready to purchase, but definitely first and foremost is to speak to a lender. And we partner with a few lenders that we can let you know who to work with. And if you have your own personal bank, you can start from there too.
All right, that's good to know.
Of course.
Because these prices, man, they're looking a little scary.
Exactly. So yeah, you definitely want to speak to a mortgage consultant. That way they can break down how much your income and what you need, things like that, your debt to income ratio. These words might not make sense, but then once you sit down with the professional, they'll break it down, give you a game plan on what to expect and how you can even save up to get to there. And you know, things like that. It's very simple in an aspect, but if you just think of it as a whole, it might scare you, but once you sit down with them, they'll walk everything through with you.
All right, so which way should we go? Right or left?
Let's start to the left.
Okay, let's go left.
All right. So when we walk in, we got the first bedroom here. It's like an office den style.
Now, this is the perfect office space.
Yeah,
It's not crazy big or anything, but you could put a desk here
exactly.
and finish some work.
You have these double doors to allow you to get into your room.
I didn't even notice that when we went in.
More spacious, you know. And then down the hall right here, you got your first full bath with a shower.
Nice, I like it. Shower.
So that's very beneficial because a lot of folks like to have a bedroom down on the first floor, maybe for family, guests, and you have a full bath. So then they can just utilize that instead of having to share and go upstairs or things like that. Wrapping around here, this is your dining / family room. You got your little dining in that corner and you got your kitchen. So this is probably most likely where the family hangs out most of the time. They're gonna cook, they're gonna eat, they're gonna hang out, step back into the backyard and utilize this space.
Where's the backyard door? Is it right here?
Right here, yep.
Oh, wow.
Slide over.
Let's see what the backyard's looking like.
There you go. You got 7,000 square feet of lot of space.
Did this used to be a pool?
It looks like it might have been. It looks
Right?
like
Like they filled it?
The style of it, yes. I would think it is.
The shape?
Yeah.
I was looking at the listing yesterday online, and I was like, kind of looks like a pool used to be here. Maybe, I don't know.
From what it looks like, they just put the dirt in to fill it up. It does look like a pool, yes.
And then this is the side yard.
Exactly.
Pretty long space right here.
Yeah, you can possibly park some cars back here.
Yeah, because that door opens up, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, you could probably fill this with 2 cars at least.
For sure. Huge condenser, AC condenser.
It's a pretty simple backyard so far. I don't know what you would do in here. Maybe like add a grill, little cabana or something, spice it up a little bit.
Definitely a nice backyard barbecue for the nice summers. You know, California, we don't really have crazy winters, so you can barbecue all season.
So I noticed a lot of bigger homes, they do have 2 living rooms. So usually they have 2, but 1 would get used the most. So this would obviously get used the most just because it's connected to the kitchen. And I feel like when everyone wants to hang out, you know, there's people in the kitchen, there's people eating right here, and then there's people in the living room. But the other living room is more separate. So that's what I notice in big houses. They usually have 2 living rooms, and 1 is kind of like the main one. This is basically the downstairs, right?
Yeah, so this is a full downstairs first level, and then from the kitchen, we'll walk right into the living room back here.
2 living rooms, 2 dining spaces, basically.
Yeah, this would maybe be the more formal dining area. The other one over there is like a little breakfast nook area.
Let's go upstairs.
Let's do that. Also, don't forget, we have these plantation shutters.
They're pretty big, which means they're easy to clean.
Yes.
My dad used to make me clean the blinds like that during the summer. Before I play games,
There you
have
go.
to clean the blinds.
You gotta do work first. So we'll take it down to the full bedrooms down here.
Okay.
Of course, you got your furnace. This is a second bedroom.
I like this bedroom. It has a lot of light.
Yeah, a lot of light, a lot of space.
So you can see who's pulling up. You see the cars outside. Sick.
We got the second bedroom, a little more spacious.
Bigger bed in this room. Also faces the front of the house.
So these 2 bedrooms, they would share this bathroom, full bathroom. And then leading back down the hallway, we have the primary bedroom.
With the double doors.
Double doors, of course.
Oh, wow.
With the high ceilings.
Yep.
Large mirrors.
You can for sure tell this is the primary. It's a big difference from the other ones.
Oh yeah, beautiful windows leading right into your double sink bathroom.
Okay, this is the bathroom right here. And we have that shower and bathtub combo. So the closet space right here.
You got the his and hers. Of course, you know whose is whose.
I like the mirrors though. The mirrors make the room feel a lot bigger.
It does, it does.
Makes it feel like continuous. But the light in this room is pretty good.
Yeah.
I love it when the houses are staged.
Yeah, it
Perfect.
gives you a great visualization of it.
So right now the market is a little weird. Is it a buyer's market or a seller's market right now?
Well, right now what we're seeing is a spike in interest rates. That definitely deters some buyers. A lot of more homes are sitting on the market a little longer, so it's actually better as a buyer because now you have more negotiation power. Whereas in the past it was a seller's market and more competition. As a buyer, you can request for more contingencies like your inspection, your loan, or even your appraisal. You ask for those longer. Normal is 17 days. In the past, a lot of folks would even waive that. That's definitely not recommended because now you're taking a higher risk.
Everything has kind of changed. Like even getting a car loan too, the interest rates are a lot higher right now.
Once the rates maybe next year or so slow down and decrease, once it decreases, the buyers that were on the sidelines will jump back into the market, causing an influx of buyers and more competition. And when that occurs, of course, price may rise also.
We almost forgot to show you guys the garage. So we have the laundry units right here, and there's a 2-car garage with some shelf space. That's going to wrap up this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button. And also, if you guys need any help buying, selling, or even looking for office units, hit up Allen. I'll have his info down below in the description. Hopefully we can keep these house videos coming because I love doing them. But until next time, we're out. Peace.